Favorite moment?
I would say still yet to come, and yeah, I'm looking forward and hoping that Olympics turn out to be a special one. Yeah, when you do well, there's a lot of love and support, and then sometimes don't do well. People are emotional.
In 2023, Lakshya Sen took a break. Ranked top 10 in the world, his ranking went down to 25. As a result, he entered Paris Olympics unseeded. Commonwealth and India champion taking a mental health break. The world didn't understand, but to Lakshya, it was the beginning of the biggest comeback. Tough draw in his debut Olympics, forced to win two straight games despite winning. The 22-year-old knocked out third seed Jonathan Christie, thrashed a mighty Chao Tin Chen to enter the historic semi-finals. Best Indian male shuttler in the world right now.
Last 1 year has been a lot of ups and downs, and I think certain challenges I had to face. Even with the qualification, there was added pressure to do well in certain tournaments, and then yeah, I'm happy with the way I played those times, and yeah, I managed to see the qualification through. I go through the comments as well, like sometimes, and then yeah, when you do well, there's a lot of love and support, and then sometimes don't do well. People are emotional, so they do it. But I think for me personally, I keep it very very professional, and I have people to help me in the social media. It doesn't affect me that much. I think even when I read it, and then maybe there is some good criticism, there is some bad criticism, so I take it that way. But yeah, I think I don't take everything to heart, and then try to change anything on the approach which I take. And overall, yeah, I think most of the time when you do well, you get a lot of love from the fans and from the followers as well, so it feels good. And yeah, at the same time, when you don't do well, you have to expect some criticism as well. Having right breaks in between is important for an athlete to really recover, come back, and then start training again, and then have good training periods in between those tournaments. And yeah, a lot of learnings from this last 1 year. So I think from a very young age, he has been my mentor, and I think he has made sure that there is a good team around me. He watches most of the matches, and he's aware of the whole training program that I'm going and where I'm training. And whenever he comes on court, the intensity level automatically goes up. Even him being above 60, 65, so I think he still has got that intensity. It was a first experience for me as well, getting into an Olympic qualification race for a year. At the same time, focusing on my match and not think too much about what's going outside or inside the village.
Favorite moment?
I would say still yet to come, and yeah, I'm looking forward and hoping that Olympics turn out to be a special one. Yeah.